James, I work for Elevation X, and we're here today at Ilmington Church of England Primary School. So this morning we've been doing the One Small Step workshop. This has been aimed at the years 3, 4, 5 and 6. The younger ones and the older ones have all had a great time. The feedback has been excellent. They've all seemed to have a really good time and enjoyed the workshop. Their ability to learn the coding and follow the steps to complete the task that we've given them has been excellent. Really impressed with these children here today.